UCL and the University of Hong Kong are collaborating to tackle the challenge of dementia in society.
Here at UCL, we developed a treatment for people with dementia called CST. It stands for Cognitive Stimulation Therapy. It's a brief group intervention that exercises different parts of the brain, and what we've found now is that the evidence is so strong that it's very widely endorsed across the NHS. So our key goal with Hong Kong University is to adapt, validate CST for people in Hong Kong and to implement it widely.
The Chinese community is going to be the largest community with the most number of people with dementia. So we are working on how to culturally adapt the psychosocial intervention to Chinese population, and we did some feasibility study. And the other part of research that we are collaborating with UCL is to try to understand how this intervention works. So we are doing some neuroimaging study looking at the mechanism of CST impacting on the brain.
Dementia is a global problem. There are 46.8 million people with dementia across the world, and there's no point in doing things in isolation. We need to be working together. So not only are we fostering a cross-cultural research environment where we can make comparisons and look at similarities, but we've also got a multidisciplinary group. So we've got psychology, psychiatry, social work and social administration. It makes complete sense to be working in collaboration and thinking more widely about these issues.
We do need to pull together all the best brain in the world to develop effective intervention to tackle the problem. So I think this has been one of the most important benefits from the collaboration.
At the moment, there's no cure for dementia and there's very limited treatment. The drug treatment doesn't work for everybody and many people aren't eligible. So we urgently need to be developing these kind of interventions so that we can maximise quality of life and functioning and independence for people who have dementia. So there's a very, very clear link between the kind of interventions we're developing and the societal benefit, not only for the people with dementia, but also their families and those around them.